What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to my channel too. Don't forget about that. Anyway, I just picked up a new camera and I can't tell if the quality is better yet or what. Anyway, so I just picked up a new camera, so hopefully the quality is like 10 times better than my phone. It should be easier to edit these videos now because I have an SD card instead of like iCloud. Anyway, so in today's video, I think what we're gonna do is I brought a shovel, so I think I'm gonna try to shovel like up this like hard epoxy, old epoxy, whatever this stuff is. I'm not entirely sure if it's gonna work, but I hope it does, and I'll go ahead and get right into it, I guess. Oh, also, we just got power. So, if I press this button, lights, lights, only this side. Where's the other side? Right here? No, okay, cool. We got lights. We got lights, boys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on a tripod and get to work. All right, guys, so this is the shovel I was talking about. Anyway, I think I just need to set you guys up on the tripod. So this is actually extremely tiring. My arms are killing me, and I've only done like this small little section right over here, and this is all like, just look at that, it's all bad. It's just a lot of work and my arms are killing me right now, so it's whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the inside with bug spray. So I'm just gonna spray the sides like this. Essentially, we're just trying to prevent bugs from being in here too much. Like there's already a few dead bugs, even though I just cleaned up the other day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up what I started with the garage. I've barely even started, and you guys can't even tell, really. As you guys can see, this whole square, I'm trying to get this done today at least before I leave. Alright guys, so this part is being a real pain. It doesn't want to come off, but I've only gotten off like this small little portion. Nothing like crazy. It is really time consuming and difficult to do. Here are all the chips that I've gotten so far. So I have gotten a lot off, but it just, like I said, it takes forever and my back is killing me and I haven't had anything to eat today. So I'm gonna go get a couple noodles. What's up, guys? It's day 2. We're packing up stuff into the X5. So right now I'm gonna be taking my tools, and I have a few other things like the subwoofer and like the Bluetooth system. But right now I'm just gonna grab my tools. I think I'm gonna leave the lift for now, the jack. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set up the Bluetooth system. So we got a subwoofer right here and 4 little speakers. I had another speaker, but I don't know where it went, so these should be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that up right now. Alright guys, so I'm gonna play some copyright-free music real quick, so I don't get that copyright strike. Hopefully this will work.
Is copyright free?
I don't think it is, but... It is kind of loud. Dude, it's kind of loud from out here too. Anyways, guys, I think it sounds pretty good. Ooh, let's change it up though. This song's kind of boring, if I'm being honest.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side.
Oh, this has been recording the whole time. Oh no. All right, guys. So me and Nora headed to the Home Depot or to the Target or whatever to get blinds for these windows. We desperately need it because if we're gonna have TVs up here and like our computers in here, then we definitely want to have some blinds. So we're gonna go ahead and head out and pick that stuff up. So I'll take you guys along with me. buying curtains slash drapes slash louvers slash whatever you want to call it. I think we're gonna try to set it up tonight. So essentially, problem is, yeah, I think we could stand on the couch and maybe reach properly. I don't know. But essentially we're gonna put it up in the corners and see how it looks. We're hoping it looks pretty good. Otherwise we just ripped a lot of money because we spent a lot of money on that. So we're hoping it looks good at this point. All right guys, Nora's opening up the garage door. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the X5 in. Keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. That's fine. All right guys, got the copyright-free music. Bam bam. We are gonna go ahead and put up the blinds now. Guys, so, what do we have here? Huh? We have some blinds in the gang. Alright, well, looks pretty solid to me. Hopefully you like it, Devon. Hopefully. So I just finished up putting one of them. Nora put up one of them. So the one Nora put up is over in that corner right over there. And the one I put up is right here. Looks pretty good to me. Nothing crazy special. I'm gonna do it on this one. And then I'm just gonna do it on the rest of them too. It took me about 20 minutes each and I already got one recording of it. So I'm probably not gonna record anymore and I'll just show you guys the after. So this is how it looks right now. And let me show you this room. This is how this room looks right now. Nora already did that one. All right guys, just got the second one done. So that's 3 in total. All right, so I finished putting up the blinds and everything. I'm really tired, it's a lot of work. Anyway, so I got these 2 up, which I already showed. And then I spent some more time on these. So now all 3 of these are up and all 2 of these are up. So 5 in total. I think it looks pretty good. I think it's just the air messing up this one. Yeah, for the most part, everything looks good. I'm really tired. All right, guys, so I think me putting those blinds together and Nora finishing up the blinds will be the end of the video. What do you think? Is it the end of the video? It's the end of the video. All right, guys, so if you enjoyed the video, if you guys could hit the like button, that would be much appreciated. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Later.